Open the door to your future with a career in automotive technology at Hennepin Technical College. Follow your passion and join the path to a well-paying career diagnosing, repairing, and maintaining vehicles.
I've loved cars since I was a kid. I've always been interested by how things work and cars in general and engines.
Growing up, I was always just fascinated by cars. My first time really working on cars has been here.
No matter your background or experience level, Hennepin Tech works with you where you are and allows you to follow your unique goals.
The nice thing about a general automotive technology program is that we can cater it to the students and kind of what they want to do the most.
Hennepin Technical College has one of the largest automotive technology programs in the state with an advanced vehicle shop covering multiple makes and models.
I had toured a couple other colleges. This was definitely the nicest one and overall best one. I was impressed by the shop and the environment. They're just good people. It makes it more fun when you have instructors that you enjoy being around.
It's your turn to say, I made it at hennepintech.edu.